Okay, so hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a journal monthly reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising for the month of January 2026, actually till mid of January 2026. This is not a career or love or anything specific kind of reading. Whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the same. And if you want to join my 7 days live workshop of manifestation, you can definitely join. The link is given below in the same. For the same, it's from 20 till the 26th of January 2026. Recordings will be provided and it's going to help you to manifest anything in your life in a positive and beautiful way. You are going to learn the tools and techniques for the same. So let's start, Leo. Overall energy for Leo people for this month of January 2026. Let's see what we have. We have the Queen of Cups, the Moon card, the Page of Wands. Bottom of the deck is a Knight of Wands. It's like you're doing your best to have this self-love, self-care, self-healing kind of a thing. But you have lots of fears and uncertainties also that are kind of consuming a lot out of your life force. And you're trying your best to be open, happy, beautiful, like a child, innocent like a child, but something is there that's continuously making you feel down. Okay, fears, uncertainties, and certain kind of feelings and energies that are keeping you stuck in your own head. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Wands, and you're trying your best to remain normal, remain happy go lucky, remain in this energy of okay, life goes on, shit happens, I should keep moving forward, I should not stop myself from enjoying my life to the fullest. But you're okay, there is something that's weighing you down. Okay, it can be fear, uncertainties, it can be something that you don't even know about, or it is something that is there that you know about, but it is weighing you down continuously, even if you're trying your best to just keep your calm and go ahead and have fun kind of a deal with your life. Okay, that's the overall energy for this month. Let's see in the recent past what was happening, Leo. Five of Cups. Okay, in the recent past, there were a lot of things that you were trying to. Okay, you were living in some kind of confusion. There were lots of things, there were lots of, you know, situations in your life that you were trying to manage, that you were trying to get a hold on, or you were trying to do one thing in so many ways that you were left confused and drained. Okay, something was there that was regarding a lot of things going on in your life at the same time and you're trying to figure them out. Let's see in the current situation what we have, Leo. Queen of Cups, you're trying your best to keep yourself calm, composed, and collected. You're trying your best to have this self love, self care, self healing kind of energy and keeping your emotions to yourself somehow. Okay, let's see what we have till the mid of this month, January 2026. The Empress. Okay, this is good, this is good. You are going to be focused very much on your like growth and expansion and happiness. You're going to make sure that whatever you're going to do is going to lead to major happiness in your life, and somehow the stars are also going to be aligned with your courage. Awesome. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups in the recent past, Leo. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Hanged Man. Okay, there was a very confusing situation that was on and off, in and out your life, in and out of your life. It was like someday it was stable, then another it was unstable, then it was there, then it was not there, and you had to take a stand. You had to make a bold choice regarding that particular situation, and you were trying to figure that out, but you were feeling stuck because you were not able to make any kind of solid choice or decision in that direction. But eventually you did. Okay, after a lot of mess, after a lot of ifs and buts and confusions and this and that, you had to make a choice in a particular situation, in a particular direction, where the hell was like breaking loose or something. And then you were trying your best to just calm down and relax and do that. You were not able to do that, but eventually you did. You forced yourself to make a choice, to make a choice or decision in a particular situation in the recent past that was super 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 messy actually. Currently we have the Queen of Cups. Let's clarify this. We have the Seven of Swords, Nine of Swords, and the Queen of Wands. Okay, you're lying to yourself. You're lying to yourself about a situation that you left. You're sneaking. You're not sneaking away, actually. Something happened. Something messy, something huge, something terrible happened in the recent past. I don't know what that was. It was overwhelming. It was. I don't think so. It was related to emotions or love or something, but it was related to your stability. Okay. Now you are stressed out beyond words, but you are trying to keep a poker face that I got my life sorted. Everything is good. Everything is beautiful. This too shall pass. But you're not doing anything about this situation to somehow get properly healed. You are trying to deceive yourself by continuously telling yourself all is well, all is well, everything is fine, everything is going to be fine, if it is not already. But from inside you are stressed out beyond words, and you're continuously telling yourself lies, feeding yourself lies that you're not liking, but you're doing it because at the end of the day you have to look strong, and you have to come as a stronger personality. I don't know in front of what or who, maybe yourself, but you're lying to yourself continuously regarding a situation that is still stressing the hell out of you from inside on a very very deeper level. But you're like, no, 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 there's nothing to worry about, there's nothing that I have to sort, there's nothing that I have to feel about, everything is good in my life. It's not. Okay, good. By the mid of this month we have the Empress. Let's clarify this. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Three of Pentacles, and the Justice finally. So the wheel is going to turn in your favor. You are going to connect, you are going to have a collaboration partnership coming together, coming back together in a balanced way with someone or something. It could be work situation, it could be it could be some kind of business opportunity, job opportunity, career opportunity that you're continuously struggling with, and you are trying your best to put on your poker face and trying your best to be happy and at peace about your life. Okay, but something is not coming together. But eventually things will start turning in your favor. The tables are going to start turning in your favor. Some kind of work opportunity, a partnership, a collaboration is going to be there for you. That is going to make you feel balanced, that is going to make you feel like now life is doing justice with me, and eventually you will be able to head towards your growth and expansion and happiness the way you want it. This is really stressful right now, but the tables are going to turn in your favor very very soon, Leo. But try not to lie to yourself. Try not to run away from the feelings and from the stressful energies that you're continuously feeling about something or someone. Eventually it is going to be good. This too shall pass. This will eventually pass for sure. But try not to deceive yourself continuously. This opportunity that's just around the corner for you guys, it's a matter of few days only, Leo, is actually the like universe rewarding you for some kind of karma, good karma coming in, good karma reward. That's a really cool thing. Awesome. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this month, Leo. We have Page of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, and the Four of Swords. Whatever you are trying to achieve or do here, make sure you are healing yourself properly. You are aware of the pain, you are aware of the stressful energies, you are aware of whatever is going on inside of you and around you. Full awareness is required from your side in order to move to the next chapter of your life. And then this starting or restarting the brand new chapter, whatever it is for you, make sure that you're very, very clear and honest with yourself about whatever you are doing is the right course of action for you. Okay, whatever you are trying to achieve here, wherever you are trying to go here, make sure that you are doing the right thing with yourself, you are doing the justice with yourself, meaning your heart and soul is aligned on the path of your happiness. This might sound like very spiritual thing. Let me tell you in simple words. Talk to yourself about whatever you want in your life and why. The why should be very, very clear. If the why is aligned with your soul, because this makes me feel happy, because when I do this thing, it makes me feel complete, it makes me feel like I'm living my life to the fullest. Okay, that's the why you have to figure out, and then start or restart whatever it is in your case, this chapter of your life, with awareness, with full awareness that there are going to be obstacles and challenges. There are certain things that you have to take care of before moving forward. Okay, and there are certain things that are still painful and unresolved that you still have to be aware of continuously, that also. So it's a heavy message actually. I'm trying to wrap it up in a normal layman language so that you guys are not going to get overwhelmed, Leo, but I hope you got it. You guys are quite smart people. Anyways, let me see one more guidance from the angel oracles for you guys for this month. One more message, final. Divine guidance, the search for meaning in life. Consider an alternative approach. Surround yourself with wise teachers or friends. You can connect with somebody who can actually help you to figure out the issues of your life, the who can actually show you the path that you can walk on and move ahead in your life. Okay, because right now it might seem like a physical problem or worldly problem, but the deeper energy here is of finding your life purpose, finding the meaning of life. And the meaning of life is nothing, to be honest with you, it's just to be happy, just to be a happy soul at the end of the day. Okay, my love, so this is the message that I'm getting for you guys for this month. Hope you found it helpful. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.